Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to review the LS2 smart braking indicator. So this is the L1 model. So we'll be unboxing this first. We'll be seeing what all do we get with this, and then do the installation, and then we'll be talking about what to expect from this. So who should be getting this, what's this good for, and there are a few features. We'll be talking about that. So let's go ahead, see the unboxing first. Okay, so let's see how to actually connect this, how to actually use this. So you get two of these adapters which you can paste anywhere you want, or whether it's your helmet or your bike, maybe you can even put it at the back of the bike. So you just stick it. You get that piece of paper which actually has a cutout. So you put that over here, align it, and then stick this onto it. So once it's done, you can directly just take it and put it that way, and it remains there. So it's quite secure. It won't come out that easily. So it remains there. To remove it, you have to go this way and it removes. If not, it won't come out. Now, this is the part which has the charging port. So you have the Type-C charging port over here and the power button. It's a multifunction button. I'll show you how it works. And if you take this out and rotate it and put it back in, this is the solar charger. So this actually charges when you are actually wearing this and roaming around. Even when you're using it or not using it, you will be able to charge your device. So how does this work? So this button, you press it once, it switches on. Now it will go brighter, and then it will show you how much of battery it has. So if it goes 4 times, that means it's got full battery. 3 times, that means 75. 2 times, then 50. Then only once, then 25% battery, and then it'll die. So right now, when you switch it on, it will be in the normal mode. So this is the first mode, where it'll only work when it feels a jerk. So if there's a jerk, it will light up. So when you are wearing this, wearing the helmet, and when you brake, then your helmet moves a little, it will switch on. Now you want to change the mode, you want to go into the blinking mode. You keep this button pressed for 3 seconds or maybe 4. You will see this blink, and it's in the blinking mode. So now it'll keep blinking continuously, and if you shake it, if the helmet shakes, it will go to the permanent light. If not, it will go into the blinking light. So these are the 2 modes. So it's quite easy to use. I've gone used to it. Now even when I'm wearing the helmet, I can actually remove it from there, switch it on, put it on. I can change the modes. It's quite easy. So this takes around 1 hour 45 minutes to charge completely from 0 to 100 if it's connected with the Type-C port. The solar charging is very slow. It almost takes an entire day for this to charge on solar power. The only problem is you cannot find out how much of charging is happening with solar, because with solar there is no indicator. When you've plugged it in and you're charging it, at that time the light will keep blinking slowly, and when the blinking gets over, that means it's fully charged. Now it's quite easy to use, and it is IPX4 rated, so light rain won't be a problem. But make sure this does not go into a lot of water. Don't drown it in water and stuff. This will go bad. Now this is for 2000 rupees. It's quite handy for that much of price. I mean, for that price, it's quite handy. I would recommend this for all tourers like me who go from like I do traveling from Pune to Kerala and stuff. So there are a lot of times when I'm traveling in the night. So sometimes the bike light is not enough. You need something on the helmet also. So this is quite bright. So with this one's brightness, you can actually see it from far away, and the battery life goes on for more than 8 to 10 hours. So depending on which mode you have it on. So it actually claims more than 12 hours, but in my testing, in the blinking mode, it has worked for 8 hours. In normal mode, it has worked for 10 hours. So that's all that I had to say about this. If you want to know more about it, go ahead, contact me. Let me show you how to switch it on and switch it off. So on was one press, and if you want to switch it off, just press it once and it is off. So that's that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.